Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make jagaimo no omisoshiru. It's potato miso soup, something you never see at Japanese restaurants. You need to peel the skin, you need to cook it longer, and it's just easier for them to use tofu or mushroom. The potato is very popular ingredient to make miso soup at home. So what I'm cooking today is a very homey version of miso soup. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this jagaimo no omisoshiru. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 1 or 2 potatoes depending on the size. 5 grams of dried wakame seaweed. 4 tablespoons of miso paste and 2 teaspoons of hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. Let's cut the potatoes first. You can cut it as you like, but I like to cut it into sticks. Peel the skin. If there is any eyes like this, remove it using the heel of the knife. Into slices. Then into sticks. All into the pot here. Four cups of water. Hondashi Japanese soup stock. Cover with the lid. Turn the heat on and let it simmer over medium heat until it's nice and soft. Try not to boil it. If you boil it, potato will dance in the pot and they hit each other and they break down into little pieces. Simmer for 10 minutes and the toothpick can easily go through. So it's time to add the miso paste. I'm using this miso strainer to put the miso. By using this kind of strainer, you can avoid having chunk of miso paste in your soup bowl. So put the miso in the strainer, dunk it and push it out. Right after you dissolve miso paste, you start to smell rich flavor of miso. When you start to smell that, kill the heat. And let's add the wakame seaweed. Give it 1 or 2 minutes so the wakame seaweed is rehydrated. Wakame seaweed is now rehydrated. Some sliced green onion if you like. Give it a stir. Serve in the soup bowl. And jagaimo no miso shiru. It's ready to go. Time for the tasting. Let's have some soup first. You can sip the soup straight from the bowl. Mmm, so flavorful. Let's have some ingredients too. Mmm. Potato makes the whole soup so hearty and filling. If you're tired of tofu miso soup, try this one. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Jagaimo no miso shiru goes here and plain rice here. Anything you like for the other dishes. But how about chicken and bell pepper stir fry for the main, spinach and sesame salad for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!